What's up, guys? So today we are going to try something a little bit different. We're going to have steak and potatoes for dinner, but our potatoes are going to be a little bit different than normal. Let me show you what we're going to do. Okay, this is a weird angle, I know, but it's okay. So we got three potatoes, two, and three. We're going to take these potatoes, slice them about, I would say, probably about, I'm looking at you guys and not looking at the potato, but I'm going to slice it probably about a ½ inch thin, each one of the potatoes, and we're going to season them up, put them on the Blackstone, and about 5 minutes per side. It's going to be a good time. You'll see. Alright guys, so we are going to, now that I got the potatoes cleaned off and they're drying out real quick, we are going to mix up some seasoning. We got some onion powder, and I think I'm going to do about, a half, no, I was going to say a half of a tablespoon, but we'll do a teaspoon of each. Teaspoon of onion powder. Where did that cap go? Oh, there it is. Okay. We'll do a teaspoon of the garlic powder. Teaspoon of some smoked paprika. Teaspoon of basil. Oh, almost forgot the cap. And we'll do about a teaspoon, half a teaspoon of salt. Mix that all together. And we'll get some olive oil here. This is a 2 tablespoon spoon. And I'm going to do 4 tablespoons just to be on the safe side. Put that away. And put our dry stuff in. And next thing we got to do is slice up our potatoes and go from there. Alright guys, so like I said before, I want to do these probably about a ½ inch slices. And let's see. This way. All right, so we got about four slices out of each one, and we'll be good to go. So next thing I'll do is I will kind of lather them up with the mixture of the oil and the seasonings. All right, guys, it's time to do some basting. Just gonna set our. Trying to make sure you guys can see the potatoes. Bring that one in a little bit. Right there. I mean, you guys will be okay, right? If you can't see some of them, don't kill me. I probably don't have enough room on this cutting board anyway. But I'm going to squeeze them in. One of the big ones over here, one of the small ones over here, okay? Don't kill me. But mix this up some more. Set that over there. Alright guys, we're headed out to the Blackstone. Alright guys, we're outside, so now it's time. First thing I want to do is get the steak started, because we're screaming over here. We're screaming hot, so let's get them going. Alright, those are going. Let those do their business. Alright, so since how we put some oil on our potatoes already, I'm not going to put too much over on here because we don't need a lot. Not a lot at all. We just want to make sure they don't stick. We don't want none of that. Alright. Got that going. Now, potato time. Alright, here we go. Try not to get my hands dirty, but sometimes that's what you gotta do. Alright. Those are sitting doing their thing. Clean my hand off real quick. Steaks are going. Everybody's looking real nice. And set a timer for 5 minutes.
Okay, 5 minutes.
We'll check those potatoes in 5 minutes. Oh, these potatoes smell so good already, guys. So, let me get some things cleaned up, and I'll be right back. Alright, guys. Clean some stuff up. Got my water. See? Magic of YouTube. Or TikTok, wherever you're seeing this. I don't know. Pinterest. I don't know. Let's see. How much time we got on our timer? Timer. Where'd you go? There you go. How much time is left on the timer? Alright, timer's all done. Just finished as I was messing with it. So, first thing I want to do is dip that steak. Oh, we got crust on that side. Look at that. Woo! Alright, we're going to flip our... Oh my. Oh my, oh my. Look at that, look at that. Goodness, guys, it's gonna be a good time tonight. All right. Set a timer for 5 minutes.
Okay, 5 minutes and counting.
About 1 minute left on the potatoes. Potatoes. That just popped in my head. Small potatoes. Alright, that's our timer. I am going to flip my steaks. Probably one more time. Oh, lost a lot of my crust on that side, but that's okay. Oh, man. It's okay. It'll be fine. You're still gonna take some time. We're gonna do 3 minutes on that side for the steaks. Potatoes look amazing. Smell amazing. Alright, so gonna turn the heat off on this side. Let these kind of just have some residual heat while we wait on these steaks to finish up. Alright, one last flip on the steaks. Alright, while our potatoes are, while our steaks are finishing up with their last little bit, let's get our potatoes off. Alright guys, so this is what we got. We got them steaks right there, and we got our sliced potatoes looking so good and scrumptious. Guys, this is going to be a good time. I thank you so much for checking out this video. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.